Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, we have MMAT. You already know if you're watching this video on the weekend, like, huge shout out to you. Because, yeah, we are doing a weekend update. You know that the market is closed on the weekends, like, of course. But I really want to say a few things about MMAT, and I think that you should, like, probably appreciate that. And probably quite, like, find it interesting, okay? We're going to also be doing kind of a update on the technical analysis because, bro, this is how the chart looks like. As you can see, yesterday on Friday, again, like although we had a bearish candle right here, as you can see, it is white, and right here represents a bearish candle. We opened right here, we closed right there. But although, like, considering that, we were still up for the day. Why is that? Because as you can see, here we closed on the day before that, or on 2nd of September, or on Thursday. And as you can see, this is where we opened yet. And the difference right there between the close and the open was around 6%. Okay, around 6%, and that's like what happened. Then we kind of did manage to even push to the upside. As you can see right here, we did manage to push to the upside with this 30-minute candle. This 30-minute candle was like by itself 9% to the upside, and the price kind of fell back down. But overall for today, it's still green. Okay, I I absolutely appreciate how the stock is moving at the moment. We kind of did manage to touch these lows of the candles right there. But yeah, screw that. That will not make sense right here. But a the I still here. I mean, on my other side behind the screen, I have a picture about another like MMAT chart to consider. We had the Bollinger Bands. You feel me? I will try to find them right now for you guys. BB right here. All right, and we had it the 20 close, just like that. Awesome. So just consider that in your mind, because as you can see right now, we are above the Bollinger Band, so something like this could be happening to this volatility zone right here. Why is that? Because we absolutely did break through the Bollinger Bands. This kind of was tight when we started talking about it, and it absolutely did push the upside in our favor. Okay, so this is a chart that you should probably consider. Okay, I would just leave it by itself right now like this, and I will be talking about some other things. And you know that I've seen this thing from so many different perspectives and blown so like, and it was blown so many watts in so many different pairs of boxers. I'm besides myself, and I just want to let everybody know that I started with. This is from a guy that just commented, and he said, "This is not for me." Okay, he said, "I started with $20.20 average, and I'm currently averaging up after months of averaging down. I cannot stop buying this stuff. My plan was to retire in 10 years. I call it seven." So yeah, he has a plan really really retire out of MMAT, and of course all the other stocks. But the point is that a lot of people do like MMAT, and there was one thing that I really want to share in today's video was that one person was asking George. So he said, MMAT, and the rather, okay, has, "I have a question that I'm not sure you will have an answer for, but does Meta have to wait till December 31st to launch its spin-off lieu of dividends, or can they pick a random day and keep the shorts in burning the building and keep the shorts in a burning building over the weekend?" Maybe George, like Polycovers, would like to weigh in. And you know that George on stock tweets is absolutely active all the time. And my guy, the genius, said, "We can pick a random day." Bro, this motherfucker is. I absolutely love this guy. Okay, I absolutely love that guy. So the shorts are gonna burn, as I said, in this like burning building. They're gonna be, bro. George is a fucking genius. Okay, and he fucks the shorts. To be honest, I know a lot of costing from me from my side, but that is the point. That is the point. So a lot of people are going to be getting the dividends, and do you know what a lot of the people are going to be doing with their dividends? They're going to be reinvesting their dividends into the stock. So that will that will push the stock to the upside, because a lot of the people are talking about this on the Reddit, on Discord, you feel me, on YouTube channels. I mean, I can just shout it out, and you know that a lot of people, around 700 people, as I get that from average amount of views on my videos. I mean, around 500 people on my MMAT videos. Okay, so they can hear it out and kind of go through that path. They can, for those who are going to be getting the dividends, they can reinvest it. Okay, so you could probably spread the word, but that's just my thinking about it. So the question is, so would this trigger a squeeze from MMAT ticker, or the spin-off ticker. So this is where I am confused. A lot of people do not know those. So in theory, both at the same time. What would you do with $1 million? Like, what a question? What would you do with $1 million? Like, that's not the actual question, but I absolutely think that it would trigger the ball squeezes and kind of push the price to the upside through around this volatility area, because actually we had a lot of volatility right there. So I can expect the price to kind of push up to that side, and we're going to be seeing what will be happening. The other thing that I really want to talk about, a lot of the people are right now in the green. The short interest for the last, like, the on the Ortex data for MMAT in the last kind of 7 days was the percentage of free float on the loan was like 10.53%. The shares on loan are 4.36 million, and I cannot find the percentage for the short interest. Okay, there was a exchange reported short interest. The previous was 114 and 14.22 million, and the change was like 136%. Absolutely love it. Okay, so yeah, that's about the kind of the data. I can kind of pop up a picture, but not at the moment. Okay, I'm just trying to explain it as great as I can, and here I have something to read you guys. Okay, so next week will be more interesting and an uptrend for Meta. This is from a guy from Southern Chance 1295. Okay, so he says this stock has obtained heavy momentum from September onwards, and the main reason is that the strong leadership from George to recruit one of the world-class team to bring the product to market. Bro, again, I absolutely love the George. I aspire to be like him. Okay, even the product like release or any major joint partnership with the other major giants will make the stock price go crazy. The mainstream still cannot understand the capability for Meta. Okay, they are in their own world and refuse to accept the popularity of MMAT stock. Short squeeze or not, this stock is a pure gold, and I absolutely think that you should probably consider doing something like that. The short interest of 35% on TDA, it's good. Okay, it's absolutely good. And based on what George has done so far, I wouldn't be surprised if he announced both one after the other. And he better do it soon so we can teach these freaking hedge funds not to ruin our like every company. They like to make a quick dollar. Okay, and the verticals truly are endless, protected by patents. Okay, they're endless, protected by patents across the board, led by the quarterbacks and by the George. Okay, try the process, and you will just kind of see where this stock goes. Absolutely love the company, and guys, that this will be approximately it. Let me know what are your thoughts about MMAT. Consider liking and subscribing because I do videos every single day on MMAT. Like, make sure to stay updated with that. And peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and see you soon.